In this tech tube, we will demonstrate how to properly repair a stripped threaded hole. This presentation is a supplement to the service procedure, Repair Damaged or Worn Threads, which can be found on TechConnect in Section 9 Engine Standard Procedures. The service procedure helicoil kit in our demonstration. The service procedure also recommends not using thread repair kits on worn crankshaft main bearing cap bolt holes. The cylinder block must be replaced in those instances. Let's get started. While removing an engine oil pan, it was discovered that one of the oil pan bolts had been cross-threaded, causing damage to the threaded hole in the engine block. Notice in the first image, the threads appear to be smashed, rather than sharp and deep as in the second image. The threads of the damaged hole ensure proper sealing of the oil pan. To repair the threaded hole, we need to confirm its original size. A good way to determine the size of the threaded hole is to check the size of the bolt. This can be done by locating the bolt in star parts. The description of the bolt in star parts includes the bolt dimensions. The dimensions of the oil pan bolt for this application are M8 by 1.25 by 35. The M indicates that this bolt is metric. The 8 is the thread diameter in millimeters. The 1.5 is the pitch or distance between the threads in millimeters. The last digit represents the length of the bolt in millimeters. We need to determine which thread repair kit to use. Helicoil offers numerous kits both for metric and standard thread repairs. Click on each kit to unveil its contents. The 5525-150 Master Metric Thread Repair Set comes equipped with 48 helicoil stainless steel inserts, 4 taps, and 4 installation tools. The 5526 Master Thread Repair Set comes equipped with 60 helicoil stainless steel inserts, 6 taps, and 6 installation tools. Select the correct helicoil kit that is required for the oil pan threaded repair. Click Submit to check your answer. Now that it has been determined that the metric helicoil kit is required, the proper drill bit, thread tap, installation tool, and helicoil thread insert need to be selected. A chart is supplied with the kit to keep the guesswork out of the process. We are going to need a 21/64 of an inch drill bit, the 570-8 tap, the 3747-8 installation tool, and the R1084-8 thread insert. In some cases, it will be necessary to prevent metal shavings from entering crucial components while drilling and tapping the new threaded hole. In our case, we decided to protect the lower portion of the engine with paper and paper towels. Drill out the damaged hole while keeping the drill bit at a 90-degree angle to the engine block surface, ensuring the hole is straight. Drill until you've reached the bottom of the hole. Use compressed air to clean the metal shavings out of the newly drilled hole. Remember to always wear safety goggles to prevent metal shavings from entering your eyes. Attach a T-handle to the tap and carefully screw the tap into the drilled hole, creating new threads for the helicoil insert. Remember to keep the tap at a 90-degree angle to the engine block surface. Continue until the tap comes to a stop. Remove the tap by carefully backing it out of the new threads. Take caution when first starting to remove the tap. It may appear to be stuck. Metal shavings may prevent the tap from turning backwards. Use compressed air to blow out any of the metal shavings created during the previous step. Run the tap through the threads a second time to make sure the threads are clean and deep enough for the helicoil insert. Clean the shavings from the hole one last time. The next step is going to require the thread insert and the installation tool. Start the insert by hand. Once the insert is started, use the installation tool to thread the insert into the hole. Place the installation tool into the thread insert. Once the tool bottoms out into the insert, proceed to screw the insert into the threaded hole. Once the top of the insert is flush with the hole, turn the insert an additional 1/4 to 1/2 a turn. After the thread insert is properly installed, it is necessary to remove the tang from the bottom of the insert. Use a punch that fits snug into the insert but not too snug to cause damage to the new threads. Hold the punch squarely and strike it with a hammer. The tang breaks off relatively easily. Not a lot of force is required. Use air pressure or a small set of needle nose pliers to remove the tang from the hole. Install the bolt to make sure it fits the new thread inserts.